Good morning, dear students. In this session, we are going to learn about phenols. The contents are introduction to phenols, preparation of phenols by cumin hydroperoxide method from diazonium salts. In reactions, we are going to discuss about electrophilic substitution reaction. In that, nitration, halogenation, and sulfonation. Phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compounds where the OH group is directly attached to benzene ring. Classification of phenols. Depending upon the number of OH groups attached to benzene ring, phenols can be classified into three types. One is monohydric phenols. The organic compounds contain only one OH group which is directly attached to benzene ring. Say for example, in phenol, the OH group is directly attached to benzene ring. In 2-methyl phenol, we have one hydroxy group, and in the third case, in the 3-methyl phenol, we have one OH group. Dihydric phenols. Organic compounds contain two OH groups which are attached to benzene ring are called dihydric phenols. In the first case, 1,2-dihydroxybenzene. Here, the two OH groups are attached to first and second position. It is also called as catechol. And next one is 1,3-dihydroxybenzene. Here also we have two hydroxy group. It is also called as resorcinol. And in the next example, 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. Here also we have two OH groups. It is also called as hydroquinone. Trihydric phenols. The organic compounds contain three OH groups which are attached to benzene ring are called trihydric phenols. Say for example, in pyrogalol or 1,2,3-trihydroxybenzene, we have three OH groups. And in the next case, that is hydroxyquinone, we have three OH groups, that is 1,2,4-trihydroxybenzene. In fluoroglucinol also we have three OH groups, that is 1,3,5-trihydroxybenzene. Nomenclature of phenols. We know that the simplest hydroxy derivative of benzene is a phenol. It is its common as well as an accepted IUPAC name. As structure of phenol involves a benzene ring, in its substituted compounds, the term ortho, that is 1,2-disubstituted, meta means 1,3-disubstituted, and para means 1,4-disubstituted are often used in the common name. Say for example, phenol, we know that OH group is attached to benzene ring, and in the next case, orthocresol, it is a 2-methyl phenol. Here, the methyl group is attached to second position with respect to OH. And in the next case, 3-methyl phenol. Here, the methyl group is attached to third position with respect to OH group. It is also called as metacresol. And in the next example, that is orthonitrophenol or 2-nitrophenol. Here, the nitro group is attached to second position. And in the next example, a catechol, here also we have two OH groups, that is 1,2-benzene diol. And in the next case, that is resorcinol, here also we have two OH groups which are present on first and third position. And in the next case, that is hydroquinone, here also OH groups are present on first and fourth position. And in the next example, we have 2,6-dibromophenol. Here, second and sixth position are occupied by two bromo groups with respect to OH. So, it is 2,6-dibromophenol. And in the next case, it is a naphthol. That is, OH group is present on the first position. It is also called as alpha naphthol. Coming to the preparation of phenol, we have few more methods for the preparation. First one is preparation of phenol from cumene. When an alkaline solution of cumene is nothing but a isopropyl benzene or 2-phenyl propane. Isopropyl benzene or 2-phenyl propane is nothing but a cumene. When this cumene of a alkaline solution in sodium carbonate is oxidized by passing an air or oxygen in the presence of a cobalt naphthenate as a catalyst at 423 Kelvin, cumene hydroperoxide is obtained. And in the next step, that cumene hydroperoxide converted into phenol and acetone by treating with dilute sulfuric acid at 273 Kelvin. Preparation of phenol from diazonium salts. From this method also we can prepare phenol. Here diazonium salt is formed by treating an aromatic primary amine, that is an aniline, with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin. Diazonium salt are hydrolyzed further at 160 degrees Celsius by warming at 160 degrees Celsius with water or by treating with dilute acids, so that formation of phenol takes place with the elimination of nitrogen. Coming to the reaction of phenols, we have many methods or many reactions of phenols. In that, the first one is electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reaction are those reactions in which, in this case, an electrophile replaces one or more hydrogen atoms attached to aromatic ring. Phenols are highly prone to electrophilic substitution reactions due to rich electron density which is present on a benzene ring. The hydroxyl group which is attached to the aromatic ring in phenol facilitates the effective delocalization of charge in the aromatic ring. Thus, it stabilizes the rhenium ion through resonance. The hydroxyl group also acts as ortho-para-director. The hydroxyl group which is present in the phenol acts as a ortho and para-directors. Hence, we acknowledge most of these substitution at ortho and para position only. In this electrophilic substitution reaction, the first one is nitration. When phenol is treated with a dilute nitric acid at low temperature, it's around 298 Kelvin, a mixture of ortho as well as para nitrophenols are formed. Coming to the mechanism of nitration of phenol. In the first step, what happened? A formation of nitronium ion takes place by the reaction of nitric acid with sulfuric acid. It acts as a catalyst, so that a formation of catalytic HNO3 plus H plus takes place, and in the further steps elimination of water molecules results in the formation of nitronium ion. The formed nitronium ion in the next step attack on the phenol, so that formation of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol are formed. When phenol is treated with concentrated nitric acid, in the previous case we have treated with a diluted nitric acid. What happens in case of concentrated nitric acid? The nitration results in the formation of 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, commonly called it as a epicric acid. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is commonly called as picric acid. Second kind of this electrophilic substitution reaction, it is halogenation. When phenol treated with bromine water, a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed. When phenol reacts with bromine in inert solvent like CS2, that is a carbon disulfide, what happened? At 273 Kelvin, mixture of ortho as well as parabromophenols are formed. When this phenol treated with a bromine in an inert solvents, formation of ortho and parabromophenols are formed. Next type is sulfonation. When phenols reacts with the concentrated sulfuric acid at low temperature, it's around 288 to 293 Kelvin, the formation of orthophenol sulfonic acid takes place. This is under low temperature. And when this phenol treated with sulfuric acid at high temperature, here the formation of para-isomer takes place. That is 4-phenol sulfonic acid takes place with the elimination of water. So, coming to the revision of this class, we have discussed or learned about phenols. In this, we have discussed about the introduction, preparation of phenols by cumin hydroperoxide method, and preparation of phenols by diazonium salts. And we have also discussed reaction. In that we have discussed electrophilic substitution reactions, in which under this electrophilic substitution reaction we have discussed nitration, halogenation, sulfonation. These are some of the references for this session. Thank you.